This is the Ginger design that's built on Cuchimedlo Island. We'll have a quick look through. So we've got great big stacking sliding doors across the front here, which really open up the inside open plan living. There's a living area, kitchen, and we've got laundry, bathroom, and then one of the bedrooms just down this end. Down the other end here, we've got a master bedroom with another bathroom, walk-in robe, and the master suite down here. Nice big windows everywhere, and obviously the big stacking sliding doors. Very simple design. The best feature about this house is obviously this big balcony across the front as well. Use a combination of different materials on the front as well. So this is the prime line, and then you've got the natural weather tex across the front, just giving that timber look effect, which is just a reconstituted timber. And then you've got Axon across the front too as well. But a great product, really nice house.